Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Denali LED headlight on your dirt bike. Now, if you do a lot of woods riding or possibly coming home after a long ride in the dusk, this is going to be a great upgrade. Anytime you can upgrade an incandescent headlight to an LED, you're getting a nice upgrade. Now, this installation is going to be done on a KTM 350 with the Denali D4, but basically this installation is going to be very, very similar for all dirt bikes and for the Denali D7. As far as the tools you're gonna need, we'll drop those in the description. And the first thing we need to do is to get the headlight mask off of our bike. So let's get to work. So for our KTM, this should be pretty tool-free. We're going to unstrap the headlight mask, lean it forward, and unplug all of our turn signal, headlight, and ignition plugs. Take it over to a table where we can work on it. So now we need to take a T15 Torx. We need to remove the headlight from the headlight mask. Now we need to assemble our headlight bracket. One piece just goes on top here, so it's slanted back like this. We're gonna use the included hardware. We're gonna need a 3mm Allen and a 8mm wrench. Make sure you put a washer on both sides. Now we need to attach our new headlight bracket to our old headlight mask. For the top two holes, we're gonna use the new hardware. For the bottom hole, you're actually going to use the old screw that came out of there. Now, some bikes, this bottom hole may be a little bit too small. Like for us, we had to file this hole out just a little bit to get that screw to go in there. All right. So now we're gonna mount our headlight into our headlight mask. We're gonna need to take off the bracket that comes in the light. We need a 5mm Allen, and we're gonna reuse this hardware to mount it in the headlight mask. We're about ready to strap our headlight back on and plug everything in. And we actually have an adapter that goes from the Denali plug to our KTM harness. If you don't have that, it comes with another plug that you can hardwire in. It plugs right into the Denali headlight. You can hardwire that in to your old headlight wires. Suck at the rubber straps. All right, not too bad of an installation. We have a super bright light, just about an hour and a few hand tools in the garage. You can be done and back out riding the trails. Now, if you're looking for more information on this, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page. You can read other riders' reviews and more specs about these Denali lights. If you're still looking for more information, go ahead and reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.